Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all. My name is Svetlana Gamberini, and I take care of training at Delta Plus. Today, I welcome you to our series of webinars dedicated to safety at work. As you already know, we are organizing those webinars in order to support you more on current issues of our group, such as the development of our ranges, new product focuses, new standards for PPE, or many other points that we seem interesting. In fact, a few topics have been requested by some of you, and we have decided with our team of product managers to organize and broadcast a series of 10 webinars of approximately 30 minutes each. You can therefore participate by registering for the sessions when you receive our invitations. Please note that all webinars are now available of our Delta Plus website in the news section, our webinars. So you are the most welcome. This webinar is pre-recorded, but while it is being broadcast, you have the option to send us your questions via the chat. So please free to do so. Our expert will answer all your questions at the end of the session by email. Today is our 5th webinar. It concerns food protection with a focus on the new classic range of safety shoes. We would like to share the advantages of this range with you, but also to introduce you to the production of footwear at Delta Plus. Our guest today is Guillaume Pacheco, our market manager of the food protection product family. Guillaume will lead this session and tell us how it is important to have good shoes on a daily basis. I let Guillaume start his presentation. Welcome, Guillaume.
Thank you, Svetlana. Hi. Hello, everybody. Thanks for being here with us today. So, as Svetlana was saying, we are going to talk about food protection and more particularly the new classic industry range. So, why calling it new classic industry range? Because you already know this range. It's an upgrade of one of the best sellers we have in Delta Plus, which is the classic industry, and it's one of our core range, and it really represents the DNA of what Delta Plus is capable of doing in food protection. So this is why, before going in detail and enter in detail about and talk about the range specifically, I would like to talk a little bit and take a step behind, just to develop a little bit about what we are doing in Delta Plus food protection division when we talk about manufacturing processes and what's the meaning of quality and production when in Delta Plus. Then we are going to talk about performances and quality of the range, which is very interesting, especially when we put it in front of the norm. And it's something very important because this range, as you already know, it's one of the best seller we have on the range. And in Delta Plus, we construct our ranges by step. So this is one of the core market we have, essential, then we have evolution, and then we have a premium segment. So the new classic range is focused on this essential segment of the range. So this is why it's important to talk about performance and quality of this product, which represent a great choice in terms of quality-price ratio. We are going to enter in detail after. And then we are obviously going to talk about the key features and benefits of the range. So let's go. First of all, talking about a little bit about production at Delta Plus. What's important to take into account here is that in Delta Plus, we are, in our DNA, we are a manufacturer of footwear protection, which means that we have a full team in design, R&D, dedicated to develop and manufacture new products each and every year, which means that per year, approximately, we are launching around 15 products. And nearly 90% of the range has been renewed since 5 years. So it shows you the purpose and the engagement that we put in the food protection and in the production process. Then if we talk about production by itself, today Delta Plus, it's 5 production sites, nearly 800 employees dedicated to footwear, and nearly 7.5 million of pair manufactured each year. One of the main aspects we want to discuss today, it's the quality processes we have internally. Because for us, quality is a priority. We are manufacturing PPE solution for users that are working sometimes in very strong environments. So we need to propose the most durable, with the highest degree of quality product possible. Even on those kind of range, when we are talking about essential range, which are a great ratio between price and quality. But even if those kind of range, we are doing the same processes in terms of quality and in production. So the quality by Delta Plus, a priority. To show it to you, each year we are doing more than 50,000 tests each year, and 100% of the production, all the production is tested every day and every week on all the main critical aspects of safety and element of the shoes. I'm talking about toe cap compliance, anti-penetration performances, slip resistance, ESD and anti-statism performances. The performances in terms of bonding, which is the quality of the link between the upper part of the shoes and the outsole, which is one of the main elements in terms of durability when we are talking about the quality of the shoes, and also the conformity of the PU and its stability in terms of density and abrasion resistance. So all these indicators are very important and are tested each day on all the production. And if there is something, an alert, an alarm, everything is correct instantly. So it means that all the production is controlled each and every day. So it's very important to take that into account. And this is true on our premium segment, but also on Evolution and Essential. So, why choosing Delta Plus food protection? Because as I was saying, we are already responsible in terms of production processes. We are doing more than 7 million pair produced internally every year, more than 800 employees dedicated for. We have high degree of quality control at each step of the manufacturing process, from the selection of the raw material till the enter in logistics. We are going to talk about that in detail after. And we also make periodically some audits by external laboratories to be sure that our processes in terms of quality are correctly done and are well managed. This is for the all food protection range. Then, why choose specifically the New Classic Industry? Because, as I was saying before, the classic industry range is one of the main reference on the market, with more than 1 million pairs manufactured every year. We have a complete range dedicated to all the level of protection needed and required by user from S1 to S3, and even specific protection for some very specific case, such as cold insulation products. We have product designed to be strong, robust, and more important, to be at the best ratio in terms of price and quality. Those products, and the new Classic is overperforming versus the standard. We are going to see it after. And if I had to sum up the choice and why choosing this upgrade version of the new Classic, we have a choice which is more durable, more comfortable, with better performances at the same price. And if we take a step behind, in a difficult period such as the year we just went by, really new Classic represent one of the safest choice to have the most control that you can, and to control the price, your price, but without any compromise in terms of safety of the user and quality of the product. So this is the safest choice. So I was talking about performances, and especially performances in front of what the standard requires. So the standard 2345 EN require lots of tests, so we are not going to enter in detail in all these tests. But if we sum up them in 3 categories, safety, comfort, and quality, there is something very interesting when we see the performances of the new Classic industry. First of all, in safety, what's very important when we talk about safety shoes? One of the main risks, we all know that, is the fall of the user, and also the impact of an object on the front of the shoe. If we talk about slip resistance, the new outsole and the new Classic industry range is more than 30% better than what the standard requires, which means that we have an optimal quality and performance in terms of anti-slip, which is the most important part when we talk about performances of security shoes, or safety shoes. All the range is obviously certified SRC, which is the highest degree of certification in terms of slip resistance. And on this high degree, we have a performance 30% above the standard. So this is impressive. But if we also talk about the performances of the toe cap in terms of impact and compression, we can see that we are also above the standard. And it's one of the main aspects to take into account when we talk about the safety shoes. If we talk about comfort, one of the main elements to take into account is the heel area shock absorption. Why? Because when you are using your safety shoes all day long, you need to have the most comfort possible, especially on the heel area, in order to prevent some TMS and to improve the comfort on the step. For this element, we have performances more than 45% better than what the standard requires, which means that the wellness of the user is derived and is well managed by the new Classic industry range. If we talk, for example, about quality, we also can talk. Before I was talking about the quality of the bonding, which is the quality of the link between the upper part of the shoes and the outsole. So here we have performances more than 60% better than the standard, which means that this is a great indicator of the durability of the shoes, because the quality of the bonding, lots of the time, this is one of the parts of the shoes which is used a lot on the raw and entire way of the shoes. So the quality of the bonding is very important when you talk about durability of a shoes. And when we talk about that, we are 60% better than what the standard requires. So this is also a high level of quality. In terms of production, we have two kinds of shoe inspection that we put on our and that we implement on our production processes. We are doing physical parameters and in terms of physical parameters, and in terms of analytical parameters. First of all, in terms of physical parameters, we are doing tests at each and every step of the production process, the manufacturing process, from the reception, the in-feed and the reception of the raw material before the manufacturing process, during the manufacturing process, random and 100% inspection of the production, after the manufacturing process, before transferring the product, and at reception and during reception, and when the product is dispatched in the logistic platform. So it means that at every step of the manufacturing process, we ensure the fact that we have the right degree of quality on our shoes. And in terms of analytical parameters, we are doing the same thing, but we are also doing some external validation of the processes by approved laboratories periodically to be sure and to ensure that our production processes are well managed. So before entering detail in the range, what's important to take into account, to remember, is the three different phases of a step. So when you start a step, you start with the contact phase, which is the phase where the heel is in touch with the ground. And this is where you need to have great performances in terms of heel and shock absorption, and slip resistance. So those two factors, we just saw it before, we are really performant on those two factors with the new range. Then you have the phase of stability, where you have a large surface of contact of the shoes with the ground, and here you need to have great slip resistance. And then you have the last one, which is the propulsion phase, where you need to have some flexibility and grip to be sure that you ensure a right degree of propulsion. So as you can see on those three phases, which are very important, we ensure the right level of performances on the range. So what are the main changes we implemented on the new version of the new Classic range? A new outsole that we are going to describe after in detail. More comfort with a volume increased and a new footbed, and as we were saying, better durability with the addition of a front bumper. First of all, the new outsole. We have a lot to say about this new outsole. First of all, about the design of the outsole. As you can see here, we have designed the outsole by making angular design in order to have better anti-slip performances. If you know it, the angular design allows the outsole to have better anti-slip performances. So this is why here you can find those angular kind of design. We also have flexing line at this point to ensure a better phase on the propulsion phase of the step. We also have channels to evacuate all the fluids and dust and allow the outsole to keep its performance in terms of anti-slip. If we take a look at this part of the outsole, we can see the microcleats which allow it to be more stable when you are walking on a ladder. And you can see here also that the heel is marked in order to be more safer when you are walking up when you are climbing a ladder. As I was saying before, here you can see that we have an additional PU part on this part, which allows the heel part to be more comfortable and ensure right performances in terms of shock absorption. So this is very important. And we also have front bumper, which reinforce the protection of the forward part and ensure the durability of the shoes. On the heel part of the shoes, we can see that we have a little angle that we can see here, which will allow in the first phase of the step to have a great stability during the contact phase and optimize the contact with the ground. So this is for the new outsole. So let's talk about the jet model. So the jet model, as you can see, so the construction. So if we talk about the construction of the shoes, first of all, we have three different shoes, three different models dedicated to different degree of safety needed in the different environments. We have S1 version, S1P version, and S31. So the upper part of the shoes is constructed with a pigment split laser with a specific water resistant treatment for the S3 version. The lining is in polyamide mesh, and the footbed, as I was saying, is right now is in removable pre-mold in polyester with AVR. The outsole, we just saw it, is in 2D, so in polyurethane 2 dimension. So what we have done on these shoes, first of all, we have increased the overall volume of the shoes in order to ensure optimal comfort during all day long. We also have metallic eyelets in order to ensure resistance and durability of the shoes. You can see here that the ankle collar is padded in order to ensure comfort during all day long. And you can see at this point that we have a flexible line at the rear of the shoes, which allow the shoes to be more comfortable when you are, especially when you are on the contact phase of the step. You also have a gusset here, which allow to protect from dust and fluid for the S3 version. And as I was saying before, the front bumper, which allow the shoes to be more durable. The jumper, also with three different versions, S1P, S1, S1P, and S3, which is kind of the big sister of the Jet 1, of the Jet. So same construction, except the fact that we are a little bit more high. And this is an interesting aspect when we are talking about ankle protection, because having a higher shoes allow the ankle to be a little bit more protected. So it's beginning to be more and more important in lots of environments. So three versions, S1, S1P, and S3, to assure the right degree of protection in all the environment, from services, logistics, to construction, TP. Then we have two specific products, the Jumper 3 Fur and the Jumper 3 Fur High Cut. which is done with kind of the same construction as the Jumpers 3, but with the addition of 3 main elements to ensure cold insulation. So these 2 products are cold insulated, and we are going to see in details how we can manage to have the right and the best solution in terms of cold insulation. For the other part, we have the same construction than the Jumper. So when we are talking about cold insulation in the Delta Plus range, and especially in New Classic Industry range, we are talking about the CPS system, cold performance system, which is the addition of a high-quality fur, a felt-based insole, and a specific polyurethane to ensure a complete protection against the cold. First of all, the fur. So, by using fur material, this is the best solution, the best technical solution to provide the better and the best cold insulation. Why? Why and how it works? It's very easy. The fiber contained the air, and this is the air that is working as a shield against the cold, and not the fiber. So what we have to take into account here is that the thickness and the quality of the Delta Plus fur is covering 100% of the shoes is very important and providing a premium performance, especially when we are taking this into comparison with classic thin that we can find on the market. Then the felt-based insole. So the felt is a non-woven fabric, and it's very soft material that allows the shoe to be a little bit more insulated, especially against the cold coming from the ground. And then one of the most important part of this CPS system is the specific polyurethane used on the New Classic range. So the classic polyurethane used on the market allow the shoes to be optimal in terms of performances on normal condition. So all the temperature above 0 degree. But if we are going down in terms of cold, -5, -10 degree, the piece start to be rigid and lose all this flexibility, and so its slip resistance. So this is why we use a specific polyurethane which keep all its properties until extreme cold environment, ensuring the same degree of safety in normal environment until -30 degree environment. So these 3 elements are based on the CPS system, which allow the shoes to be at the right degree of safety in all, even extreme environments. So the Fennec 4 is this shoes has 2 declinations in S1 and S1P, with a suede split leather upper part, with some perforation, to ensure more breathability, and a 3D mesh lining in order also to ensure more breathability. So this is a shoe a little bit more dedicated to services and environment, indoor environment. So this is for the Fennec. The Remini 4, so the Remini 4 that you maybe already know, which is constructed with an upper part in suede split leather, and also have this kind of perforation to ensure the right degree of breathability of the shoes, and also 3D mesh lining to ensure breathability of the shoes. So the Remini 4 is in S1P, and this is dedicated to environments such as services, logistics, also workers in construction in light environment, light workers, those kind of environment. For the rest of the shoes, we have the same construction as the previous one. And the last one, the Tangara 2, which is a declination of the Remini 4, a little bit higher to allow such as the jumper to have a little bit more protection on the ankle. For the rest, the construction is the same as the Rimini 4 and as the rest of the range with the same outsole in more modern color. So this is it for me. Thank you guys for your time.
Thank you, Guillaume.
Thank you,
Zedna, for your presentation. We hope that the subject was useful to all of you. Thank you again for your attention. Thank you for being among us. We will answer all your questions following this webinar and look forward to seeing you at our next sessions. We keep you informed about the new topic in the next episode. See you very soon and goodbye.
Goodbye.